Until Rosie got an idea of her own.
What's that?
E.
E.
It's this one S.
What's that?
It's F.
That's right. Good job.
I don't try.
Okay. Can you draw a G?
I like to draw G.
Kyle could see things would move a lot faster without his help.
It's a G.
Wow, good job, babe.
Got H. You can pick anything you want here. Look, watch me.
Oh,
It's a H.
good job, babe.
It's a H.
Nice. How about a letter A?
How about the letter I?
I. Okay, you draw the letter I. Good boy.
It's just an I.
Yeah. What's next? What,
J.
is that a J?
Yeah.
Nice.
Let's try K.
K. Okay.
It's a K.
It's a K.
The L.
L. Wow.
It's an M.
Okay, you draw an M.
I draw N. I can draw an N. I don't like to draw N.
Okay, try again. What's that?
Oh.
Oh,
This
good
is
job.
like an O.
Nice.
Let's draw P.
P. Okay.
We can draw P. P. Draw P.
Okay, the P is a line like this. Like this. A line. And then a little crescent like that.
P.
You see? Okay, now you try. What's that? That's an O. Is that an O?